Denying the truth cannot change the fact. I call upon my friend Sudhakar to share some facts.
Happy morning everyone. Today's science fact is brought to by K. Sudhakar from Sapphire. Fact number 1. Our planet have more trees compared to stars in the solar system. Fact number 2. Grasshoppers have ears in their bellies. Fact number 3. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Fact number 4. Lizards use their tongue to smell. Fact number 5. Men suffer from color blindness more than women. Thank you.
A speech on Constitution.
Happy morning everyone. I am Sri Shloka of Grade 8 Topaz, here to give a speech on Constitution Day. It's a momentous occasion of Indian history. This was adopted on 26 November 1949. This day marks as the birth of a democratic nation founded by the principles of equality, justice and liberty. Making of our Constitution. Our Constitution was crafted by the various leaders including Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru and many more. They drew these inspirations through various sources including US Constitution, British Constitution and ancient Indian texts. As we are celebrating Constitution Day, let us pay tribute to our
General knowledge can make education more enjoyable and to explore their thoughts. Now I call upon my friend Omkar to ask some GK question to explore yourself.
Happy morning everyone, myself Omkar, I am from Grade 9 Sapphire. Today I am asking GK question. Question for grade 6. Who is the Chief Justice of India? I repeat it again. Who is the Chief Justice of India? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is Sanjeev Khanna. Question for grade 7. What is the salary of Chief Justice? I repeat it again. What is the salary of Chief Justice of India? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is 2.8 lakhs per month. Question for grade 8. Who can remove the judge of Supreme Court? I repeat it
Life
again.
is beautiful, life is an opportunity, life is a journey. To lead life much more better, we have to overcome the all struggles. I call upon my friend Varshni to give a speech. To give motivational speech.
Happy morning to everyone. Happy morning to everyone. I am Srivarshini of grade 9, here to deliver a speech. Hard work is an essential thing that we all need in our life. It is impossible to achieve greatness without working hard. Hard work brings vision, depth and continuity to our life. It requires focus, dedication and continuity to reach our dreams. They all come with hard work. Similarly, the Prime Minister of India, late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he used to work 17 hours in a day and 7 days in a week.
As we all know that health is wealth. And I call upon my friend Harshad to give speech on public distribution system.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Arshad from Grade 9 Sapphire. The public distribution system is an Indian food security established under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Food and Public Distribution. PDS evolved as a system of management of through scarcity of food grains at affordable price. PDS operated under the joint responsibility of central and state government. The central government through
Vocabulary is very important for speaking skills. And I call upon my friend Sanjay to say a word.
A very happy morning to everyone. Today's word of the day is brought to you by Sanjay Kumar from Grade 9 Sapphire. Today's word, obstacle. It means struggle. It spells as OBSTSCLE. Friends, please spell after me. Obstacle. O-B, S-T-A-C-L-E. Obstacle. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Jahanvi from grade 9 Sapphire. Today's thought. All of us do not have an equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talent. Once again I'll repeat. All of us do not have an equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talent.
Very
Thank you.
important. So I call upon my friend Keshwan to say state and sports news.
Happy morning, everyone. Happy morning, everyone. My name is Keshwan. I am from Green and Sapphire. Today, Bharat News, State News. CM Revant Reddy said that Telangana will not accept Adani's 100 crore donation for Skill University. Sports News. India crushed Australia by 295 runs, take 1-0 lead in series. Thank you.
It is important to stay updated in current events. So that I call upon my friend Raghav Chaitanya to say international news.
Happy morning to everyone. I am Jirav Chaitanya of Green and Sapphire. Brought you news. International news. Landslides hit Indonesia, Sumatra Island. On 16 people were dead. National news. Hemant Soren to take oath as Jharkhand CM on November 28. Thank you.